Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to save Instagram story video on your gallery. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Click on the More icon from the bottom. Now from the pop-up menu, tap on Save Video. And you will save your story on the gallery. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to save Instagram story video on your gallery. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.